Yes, friends, in this episode, before we see our model, before we apply the render engine, and before we start modeling, let's take a look at the design of the model. Our design is the bedroom part. We will take it from this part, friends. We will export this part as a DVG and start modeling by placing it in the Sketch app. Since the bed and other elements already come as ready models, we will speed up our work by placing them. Friends, I will give these to you one by one and as a complete model. You will be able to use them as well. Look at our bedroom section here. The wooden sections are divided with partition slats. Here we have our wardrobe in an L shape. Here we have a column. This part is again designed as a dressing area, friends. Here we have a circular section. I will show it shortly. I will show it in 3D. Here we have a TV section, friends. The top is a model with hidden lighting. A very clean, simple but effective model. Look at it this way in the 3D section. Like this. The place where the slats are, as you can see. Here we have our wardrobe. This is the dressing area. The white file here is the proxy file of Enscape, friends. In Enscape, for a TV motion, when you see such white files, know that they are proxy files specific to the render engine. Look, it's the same here. Whether it's the television or the accessories here, files that prevent the scene from lagging in Enscape, friends. Look, we have a ring here. This part is the rest section. Look, there's a divan here, friends. We have a natural divan. There are pillows. These I placed randomly, but we will make a better quality one. We will add a cover here. With the CloudWorks plugin, we will make a cover here, a natural cover, something like a shawl, friends. We will lower it nicely. These bed file and bookshelf models are already ready-made models. We can move them directly. Apart from that, we have a hidden ceiling feature. I say, unhide all from edit. Look, we have a hidden ceiling feature here. By doing these, we will finalize our model. Friends, there is also a section with slats here, surrounded by spotlights. And at the same time, there is a large window that lets in natural light. There's a section here where you can sit, relax, and watch the view outside, friends. A design like this. A very nice, minimal, simple, and effective design, friends. We will do these. In the remaining part, it comes down to making working with ready-made models more dynamic. Friends,